Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: making money with print on demand, designing and selling custom merchandise. If you are a creative individual looking to turn your designs into profitable products, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the world of print on demand and share tips on how to design and sell custom merchandise. So let's get started. Introduction to print on demand. Print on demand is a business model that allows individuals to create and sell custom design products without the need for inventory or upfront cost. It's a fantastic opportunity for artists, designers, and entrepreneurs to monetize their creativity by offering unique merchandise to customers. Understanding the print on demand process. The print on demand process involves collaborating with the print provider who handles the production, printing, and shipping of your custom ink designed products. When a customer places an order, the print provider produces and ships the product directly to the customer on your behalf. This eliminates the need for inventory management and fulfillment. Choosing the right print on demand platform. To get started with print on demand, you will need to choose the right platform to host your online store. There are several popular options available, such as Printful, Redbubble, Teespring, and Spreadshirt. Research each platform to find the one that aligns with your business goals and offers the products you want to sell. Designing custom merchandise. The key to success in the print-on-demand business is creating eye-catching and unique designs. Use your creativity to develop designs that resonate with your large target audience. Consider trends, themes, and niche that appeal to your potential customers. Experiment with different design tools, software, or even hiring a freelance designer to bring your ideas to life. Selecting products and creating listings. Once you have your designs ready, it's time to select the products you want to offer in your store. Most print-on-demand platforms provide a wide range of products, including apparel, accessories, home decor, and more. Choose products that complement your designs and cater to your target audience's preferences. Create compelling listings that showcase your designs and provide detailed descriptions. Pricing and profit margins. Setting the right prices for your custom merchandise is essential for profitability. Consider factors such as production costs, platform fee, shipping, and your desired profit margin. Research the market and analyze the pricing strategies of successful sellers in your niche. Experiment with different price points to find the sweet spot that balances competitiveness and profitability. Marketing and promoting your store. To generate sales and attract customers to your print-on-demand store, it is crucial to invest in marketing and promotion. Utilize social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your designs and engage with your target audience. Collaborate with influencers, run social media ads, and participate in relevant online communities to increase your store's visibility. Providing excellent customer service. Excellent customer service is a vital component of any successful business. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Ensure that your products are accurately represented in your listing and meet customer expectations. Address any issues or concerns with empathy and offer solutions to maintain a positive shopping experience. Analyzing and optimizing your store performance. Regularly analyze your store's performance to identify areas for improvement. Monitor your sales, conversion rates, and customer feedback. Use analytics tools provided by the print-on-demand platforms or utilize external tools like Google Analytics to gain insights. Optimize your listing, designs, and marketing strategies based on the data to enhance your store's performance. Congratulations, you have learned valuable tips for making money with print on demand. Remember, understand the print on demand process, choose the right platform, design eye-catching custom merchandise, select the right products, set competitive prices, market and promote your store, provide excellent customer service, and continuously analyze and optimize your store's performance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with others who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.